I will just take geometry run structure wizard. Node is still there, na? Node we should not have. See, node is still there. We need to delete it. So here we will take frame model and bay frame. Okay. As usual, we have like this. Okay. Otherwise, length, height, width. Okay. I will take length as 20 meter, width as 10 meter. Height, I will take 5 right here. Otherwise, we can take 30. 10 floors we will consider. Okay. So this is what our structure looks like. So you can go to file, merge model with start pro model. Yes. Okay. 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 So immediately we need to go for general support. Create fixed support and go to front view and then take the need to selected. Immediately we need to go for property. Property define and rectangle. I will take 0.4 everywhere. Assign to view. Then we can just go for loads and definition. We already have one load that we will delete. Dead load, live load. Okay. In dead load, we will have self weight. In live load, we will have floor load. Okay. So floor load, and we need to see whether one way or two way distribution. Okay. That we will see, but now I will just take 3.5 and then the ranges. So range from here, this is minimum, right? Okay. And then here. And you can able to see everywhere the floor load is coming and then self weight assigned to view. But we need to see like the node to node distance. So it is 10 and then it is 5. Okay, we can consider this as a two-way slab. Okay, this we can remove all node to node distance. Okay. Okay, now we have everything. Okay. So then we can go for analysis and print all, add. So we already also having now only one time is enough. Okay. Now we will go for analysis, run analysis. One error because we are continue with the same file. No reference load case. So this error we are getting. So then we need to see here we need to remove this. Still we are getting the same error. No reference load case. Center of mass calculation is not possible. Floor diaphragm. Okay, so we can just provide a floor diaphragm in that case. Where we can able to go and provide. Do you remember floor diaphragm? In spec. And here you need to go for node and then floor diaphragm. And you need to mention the height. Height, how much we provided?
30.
30 anyway, we will check it. 30 node, floor diaphragm, and then 30 or we can able to put the range. Okay, floor level height. Okay, 30 meter. Calculate. We are leaving it. We are leaving master node calculation to the software itself and add. Okay, now we will see analyze. No reference load case of height, mass, or gravity or dead live load is defined for mass modeling. Okay, this yesterday we are doing something now. That's why we are still having that. Okay, when we delete this, okay, when we deleting that, we are getting zero error. Then no need to worry. Okay. Okay. And then I'm just going to go to post processing and then taking the two loads. So remove node to node distance. Here we can able to see the reactions, see everywhere the reaction and everything. You can able to clearly drag and see the reactions. Okay. And then the animation, we can go for deflection, the animation of the building and everything. Okay. And apart from that, in modeling, you can just double click somewhere. For example, you can just select this and double click. And we are getting only deflection. And here you can able to see based on the distance, how much the value. See now the distance is 4.13 meter. Okay, in that for dead load, we don't have deflection in X direction, but we might be having deflection in Y direction. Okay, like this, based on the distance, you can able to select the load and you can able to change the direction to see the value. Even shear also the same. See, you can just drag here and for this dead load, we are getting bending in a minus Z and bending in Y, we don't have shear. Shear we have how much the value, here how much the value, we can able to see the value. Okay, here it is just a minus, but here it is like a, here it is like a positive, right? But moment also coming based on the distance, moment and then shear force, both coming. Okay, for live load, it is varying. All this you can just double click in the modeling itself after analysis. Before analysis, we can't. Okay,